two rides on this elevator. Pähkinäkuja 4, it's going to be replaced soon, at least according to the information we have found.
Yeah.
It's an original ValmetSchlieren elevator with 7 floors. Very amazing. But we have, of course, filmed some other 1960s elevators here.
Yeah.
But this is one of those that is going to be replaced soon. Here in Peltolammi, near Multisilta, one of the suburbs of Tampere, in the Pirkanmaa region in Finland. And it's got 7 floors, and it was built in 1968, turned 50 years old in 2018. The serial number is VS1411, and will be inspected or would have been inspected in 2022. Let's see if there's memory. Hopefully not, but we can check it.
Yeah, I think.
No, it doesn't have it. But the 1969 one has it.
Yeah.
That we have filmed. A bit of weird smell in the elevator.
Yeah. Paketparkgewijs betaald maintained by also now this script is.
Now you can press it.
Yeah.
Okay, and that one. Me and my full rights. Probably wouldn't have memory now.
Yeah.
I don't think it has a short-term memory either.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you very much for watching. That's it.
That's it.